What up, yo? Had some people request that I make a video on doing my font conversion, taking TrueType OTF type of fonts, converting them into WOFF2 type of fonts, web font formats, and uploading them locally to your Webflow website so that it only has to load one time, and it only needs to load that font once per site. So you can actually have that font being used across the entire site, no matter how many pages, and avoiding Google Fonts and Google's APIs, making that call, slowing down your page speeds for every page that it would load. This literally loads one time for as many pages as you want. First thing, obviously, you got to do, get your font. Any font you want, we can convert it. We're going to download a tool. The tool is called FontForge. Basically, fontforge.org. Go to the downloads page, select the download of your choice, Mac, Windows, whatever you need, and different country selections there. Get that. Then right away, open your FontForge application. Very small, not a huge UI to this. I've gone ahead and saved the actual, added to my favorites inside the program to where the font that I'm trying to get is located. So I have a circular standard black font that I needed. I had all these other fonts and I needed something thicker, something more bold than the fonts that I previously had. So I happened to find an OTF online, and we want to convert that into a WOFF2 second version. That's why it's got the 2 after it. So we go ahead and load it, select OK. And what you want to do, I have different standards. I'm going to make another video on making different types, different amounts of fonts. Like you'll have a tiny, a mid, and a large. And when I say by tiny, I'm literally making a font by only loading the alphabet. Right now in this instance, I'm going to show you a mid. So you're grabbing like most of the popular special characters and stuff like that. And then large would be everything. So in order to do that, to make the selection and choose what you want to use for your end result of your font, you basically just find out where you want. And again, this is the mid section. So I'm going to click and hold down and drag all the way to the end here. If you wanted just the mini version or the small tiny, whatever the hell I said, it's going to be the just the alphabet. But we want the mid here. So we've selected it. And now we selected what we got. This is what we want to output. We're going to go ahead and invert that selection. So we go down here to select. Invert selection, and we want to remove all of that, basically delete, but in this instance, in this program, they call it clear, same thing. And then really simple, go up to File, Generate Fonts. You might come with the standard, what it's left to. We're just going to change that to WOF2. That's what we're looking to do. And then Generate. After you hit Generate, depending on what type of font and how it views it, you might get all these random, in case of warning messages. I've never had an issue. I just hit yes to everything. Like, are you sure you want to do this? Yes, go ahead. So basically, you just hit the generate button. Here's one of them, non-standard EM size. You don't really have to worry about that. We're not too concerned. It works fine. I mean, if you want to get obviously more involved, go ahead. It's got a vast set of tools. If you want to get into VM sizes, bleeding, spacing, all kinds of stuff like that inside of the FontForge program, I'm not really concerned with that. I just want to create a WOF2. Yes, literally just downloaded it to its folder. So then we can go to your fonts portion of the site that you want to bring. And you can see here that I have the bold, the normal, and the medium. So I'm going to be uploading the black. Good thing to note here. Well, let's just upload it. So we upload it. Here's the brand. I have it sort by date modified, so it puts it on the top. Here's the brand new thing, 12 kilobytes, right? Upload it. And what I was talking about here is when you're naming it, keep it, if it is the same family, keep it the exact same name so it falls under the drop down of the different styles of font. Because if you rename this something else here, it will become its own independent font and it'll just get really unorganized in your font selection. You'll have a circular standard where it has these three different families in there, and then you'll have a circular standard black. So we're going to keep it with the same name so it definitely sorts it and puts it under the same family. So now under the drop down, we'll have 4 selection, normal, medium, bold, and black. So we're going to go ahead and upload that font. And then on the black, we can see here the true value of that is 1.34 kilobytes. Going back to what it was initially, here's the OTF, 73 kilobytes. Huge compression rate right there. So we've dropped it dramatically. Awesome. Right? Now we're going to go to the actual site where we want to do that. I have this preloaded. Let me refresh real quick. So it grabs from the font. It's the same tabs from the same font. So now when I select this text here and I want to change it, we're under circular standard. As you can see, I had it previously selected. See, we have the four different fonts type, black being one of them. Boom, we're in black. Now, again, it's only loading once per entire site, not having to do those Google calls. So awesome, awesome stuff here. Going to make more videos showing how to convert, actually turn SVGs into fonts. That way you can control the colors of them. You don't have to get into the crazy embed code type of stuff. You'll be able to control it from the Webflow menu over here in the color stuff. So look for that soon. Just got a new Discord server for the FinSuite family. I'll be putting links to that and stuff like that. Would love for people to start joining that. We can get involved. I'm going to share this actual Loom video here first. And just getting everybody ready for this community and just loving this stuff and want to get everybody, connected and do what we can to help each other. It's all about the community, people. So let's keep this stuff up. Talk soon.